This is how you purchase hosting from HyperHost.com. The first thing you need to do is choose which hosting would you like. You can choose here from the store, WordPress Specialized, Linux hosting, and Windows hosting. Let's choose WordPress Specialized Advanced Hosting. From here, you get to choose which package you prefer. You need to either choose a domain that you want to purchase, transfer your domain, or use an existing one. In this section, you can choose some extras or click Next. Once you've reached this part, you get to see which plan you're getting, how much you're going to pay, and how often. You can choose one of our promotions and enter a promo code if you have one. I'm using the promo code 30 days free, which is a valid code for anyone that wants to try our hosting for 30 days. After inserting the discount code, you can see the price change, depends on the promotion code you have. You can go to checkout. You have to insert your first name, last name, email address, phone number, company name if you have one, street address, again, you get to choose if you want to purchase one of our promotions. If you have a coupon code, choose bank transfer. If not, choose either PayPal or Stripe, or you can pay with crypto with CoinGate. You can join our mailing list. I would suggest you do. And complete your order. All you have to do now is wait. The server is creating your hosting account, which you will be able to access from within the panel at panel.hyperhost.mx. This process can take some time, so be patient. Everything will be ready in a couple of minutes. After a couple of minutes, you get your order confirmation. You can continue to the client area. Here is where you have all the services that you have with us. You can get to this area from the menu, My Services, or you can order a new service from here. If you have a coupon with us for more services, you can get them here. Just click on the services, and from here you can access your hosting. As you can see, it's active, payment amount, recurring amount, and cycle. What is the next payment? There's promotions for products that you can buy from us, and you can either visit your website or log into the control panel. It will take a couple of seconds. You need to insert your security information for the control panel. So choose a day, birth date, security question, security question 2, and complete the setup. We have a live chat app just in case you need us. This is your control panel. We will go on how to install WordPress on another video. The important information here is the account information on the right side. FTP is locked. You can unlock it by 2 ways. You can unlock it for time and use it with the username and password that's right here, or by IP. You can unlock your IP and enable access to that IP for as long as you want. We don't recommend doing that for a long time. The way to know your IP is going through whatismyip.com, and you will know the IP that you need to put here. You can, if you haven't done so yet, we have sent the information for this to your email. You need to set your NS records at your domain registrar if you haven't done it already. You need to make sure that the NS records are the ones that appear right here. You have all the information here to set up your NS records. This is where you get to contact us. In security section, once your domain has replicated, you can get your SSL. Each website has its own free SSL. It takes 30 minutes to activate. You do it from here. Emails are done from here. It takes 30 minutes for you to be able to use the email that you register. This is done because we have a very broad infrastructure, so everything is done in a way that is secure, and that's why it takes 30 minutes for you to be able to use your email address. Each email account that you get is 10 gigabytes in size. You can store up to 10 gigabytes on each account. Thank you for watching this video.